In this video, you'll learn how to configure agent heartbeat intervals in Paperclip AI. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to customize the heartbeat settings to optimize your AI's performance. Start by navigating to the dashboard of Paperclip AI. You can do this by entering the appropriate URL in your web browser. Once the dashboard loads, you will see a clean layout with various options available for your AI configurations. Next, locate and click on your AI. This selection is typically displayed prominently on the dashboard. After clicking, the interface will update to show specific details and settings related to your selected AI. Once this appears, find and click on the Configuration tab. This section is crucial as it allows you to access all configuration settings. Upon selecting this tab, you will be directed to a new screen displaying configuration options for your AI. After that, click on Run Policy within the configuration section. This option will guide you to the policies governing how your AI operates. A new set of settings will become visible, focusing on the operational aspects of your AI. Then click on Heartbeat Interval. This option allows you to manage the frequency at which your AI checks in. You will see a toggle switch that indicates whether the heartbeat feature is currently active. Next, click on the toggle to activate the heartbeat feature. Once activated, the toggle will shift to indicate that the feature is enabled. This is an important step to ensure your AI can report its status regularly. Now, set the Run Heartbeat Every option to the desired interval in seconds. This setting allows you to define how often your AI should send a heartbeat signal. Be mindful of the interval you choose, as shorter intervals may increase network traffic and affect performance. After setting the interval, ensure that all changes are saved. Look for a save button or confirmation message that appears on the screen. This confirmation is essential to apply your new settings successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.